What we did in Plateia is also improved this intersection comment a little bit. So within Plateia, you can create an intersection between two alignments, and it will automatically draw you all the fillets and maybe also give you the profile lines, the profile views for those fillets. But what you couldn't do before is maybe select in which point you want to create the intersection. So if you had two alignments that intersected with each other in multiple points, like we can see here, you could only create one intersection. And then the other thing that was missing was that you could use this intersection command only in 3D. So if you had terrain data and if you had profile views and defined super elevation, only then you were able to use this intersection command. But now we also implemented an option to use the 2D without any like elevation data. So if I show you here, we have this example. And if we go into the traffic ribbon tab, we can see the commands for this. So the intersection command now has two new options. So one is the intersection point. So you can select, we have here 2 points, but you could also have more. But this is rarely the case. And here we have an option to draw the intersection, 3D intersection, or we can disable it and it will not search for the existing ground. So now let's move to point 1, which is this one, and just check the 3 and 4 fillets can be seen here. And we can also go into the point 2 and we can see the preview also here. So I think this is the first one and the last one. Now, if I go back to the first one, click OK, we can see that the new fillets were created. We can see the horizontal alignment or the main elements that were created here. And there was no like prompt to put a point for profile views. So we can do the same for the other intersection point. We can draw those fillets and create this intersection here or the new alignments. So we can also use the edit command and the refresh command. So for example, we have the edit intersection option for the intersection 1. And we can change maybe these arcs, the radiuses, for example, something like this. And we could also in this edit command like add, if we added like terrain data afterhand, we could also do the 3D intersection. So for example, now we can edit those radiuses, click OK, and the fillets will be redrawn with the new parameters. Okay. Then let's